Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on XMO and want to secure it on your Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw XRP from XMO to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, I'll cover the latest best practices to keep your assets safe and sound. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your device via USB. Update your firmware if needed. It's crucial for security in 2025's regulatory environment. Once that's done, go to the XRP app on your Ledger and note down your receiving address. Double-check it because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Next, log into your XMO account using a secure connection. Always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Head over to the Withdraw section and select XRP from your wallet. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to updates in the XRP Ledger protocol. Now, paste the XRP address from your Ledger Nano X into the withdrawal form on XMO. Take a moment to verify everything: the address, the amount, and any memos if required for XRP transactions. Hit Confirm and approve the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to see when the XRP arrives. Pro tip: always withdraw a small test amount first if you're unsure. In 2025, with new regulations around crypto, be extra vigilant about phishing and use hardware wallets like Ledger for long-term storage. That's it for the steps. By following this, you've just made your XRP a lot safer. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.